Hello and welcome to CLC Cosmetics. My name is Amanda. Today I'm going to show you how to make a soap using avocado oil and 2 shades of green. For this recipe, I'll be using our white soap base. I chose avocado oil because it's great for the skin. It's high in vitamin E, which can help slow the visible signs of aging, and it's packed with vitamin A, which helps with cell repair. This is a fantastic color. I'm really excited to try it. It's super oily, so it's going to be great on the skin. And I'm going to have this one for guests. So I'm going to cut it into small pieces, and it's just going to feel like a little treat at home. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.